Today, we're diving into a topic that affects all of us, our phone's battery life. We rely on our phones for everything, from staying connected with loved ones to managing our daily tasks. So it's crucial to keep that battery running as long as possible. Is your phone battery draining faster than a melting ice cream on a hot summer day? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially serious boost. Now, if you're really in a pinch, grab a portable charger. They're lifesavers, especially when you're on the go. And speaking of chargers, make sure you're using a good quality one, especially when you're on the go. Cheap chargers can harm your battery over time. Sticking with reputable brands can help maintain your battery's health. So there you have it, some simple yet effective tips to keep your phone battery lasting longer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.